Hi you guys, how you guys are doing? How's everything? How have you been? Today we're gonna be unboxing the BOXYCHARM Premium box. And let me just say, I haven't been too happy with BOXYCHARM. Their boxes have gotten like so bad. Like, I don't understand. I'm about to cancel them. If January is not a good box, I'm just gonna cancel them because it doesn't make no sense to keep a box that is just like it's repetitive. It has too much skincare. They like kind of forgot about the makeup. And so let's see what this box has. I have not chosen any products, nothing. So it's all a surprise for me. Let's see. The box looks like this. The box is, oh, and the prices are going up. I think I'm definitely gonna cancel. So let's see. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I don't even know where I took that out. Looks like that. It's messy. It looks messy already. Okay, so paper. We have, oh, finally, makeup. Evio Beauty cream lip liners, creamy lip liners, and these are shades. I can't see these shades, guys. They look like that. I cannot see anything. Any glasses, like really, any glasses. Okay, so the next thing in this box is Elena Badro Luxury Beauty Sponge 2 packs. We can always do good with beauty blenders, so all right, that's that. Then we have an Elemis Matcha I Do Refreshing Eye Gel. And this is a half an ounce. Yep. The box looks like that. I had to restart my whole channel now because I've been away from, that's my cat. What are you doing, Lala? What are you doing? She be trying to catch the lizards and the little frogs in the window, from the window. Okay, so and then the packaging inside looks like that. The lighting is horrible. Horrible. So just bear with me. The next thing is Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. And of course it has to be in black. What shade is it? It doesn't even say. Oh, I'm guessing it's black. So it looks like that. Oh, my lighting is horrible. Anyway, so I'm assuming it's in black. It looks like that. And inside, I'm thinking this is black. Has to be black. Well, it doesn't say a shade, so I'm guessing it's black. I'm not opening it though. Oops. It doesn't make no sense. Then we have Kenya Ontiveros Glow and Go Kit. Looks like that. And then it looks like that. It's really nice. It's kind of like texture here. It looks really, really nice. See the texture? Looks like that. And then, I don't want to blind you guys, but oh my God. Let me take this off. It looks like that. Those are the colors right there. Those colors are really nice. Okay, and then we have, next thing we have is, oh, okay. This is the last thing we have, and this is a Vizier Bronzing Palette. Bronze Noise Set. So it looks like that. And then How cute. This is the cutest little thing. And it looks like that from the back. It's really, really tiny. Look, like it's small. It's small, but it's cute. And it fits in your purse. See, this I'm happy to get. And it's a bronzer. It's not a bronzing palette, it's a bronzer. So it looks like that. And it looks nice. It doesn't look that orange. I don't know why I love smiling makeup. All right, so this is the entire box. The total value, wait, is it backward? Yeah. The total value will be somewhere around here. What do you guys think? I think this box was pretty good. For $35, this one was not bad. Like, I received some that I'm like, and stuff that brands that I don't even recognize. It's like, whatever. But this one was not bad. At least I had 1, 2, 3, 4 makeup items and 1 skincare finally. Because when I tell you, it's been skincare heavy. But this one was pretty good. I think I got my value for the box. So let me know. What do you guys think? What do you guys got? If you got this box, what did you guys get? Let me know if we box twins. I like to know. I do respond to my comments. I have not been responding to comments because I haven't been uploading. But since I'm uploading, I'll respond to comments. Other than that, you guys, and even though that I haven't been uploading, I do go in, you know, and check the comments and respond to the ones that I can respond to. Anyway, other than that, don't forget to smash that like button if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.